Hi, I have a little helper with me today. This is mostly to keep her out of her older brother's hair while he has superhero battles. So anyway, the resource that I chose was daveconservatory.org, and it was one of those theory resources on the list of websites. Thank you, that were listed on our Moodle. This one I thought was kind of cool, and I chose it because it was free. And you don't have to download anything, which if I'm using this at school, the kids don't have the permission to download anything on their computer. And so this is a nice way for them to get some practice without actually having to download an app of any kind. So the website is up there at the top, daveconservatory.org. It's this guy in London, and he just really likes the idea of free education. And he has a website that has over 200 videos, and I think it's pretty cool because you can sign in with Google or Facebook. You can donate if you want, but it's also totally free, so you don't have to. It has all kinds of different categories: harmony, intervals, cadences, timbre, ensembles, history, instruments, all these here. And it kind of takes you through, thank you, Ilsa. It kind of takes you through either a very beginning, like what is a pitch and what are octaves, and then it has videos that you can watch where he talks you through them, and they're nice and short. They're only about like 7 minutes total. And then it has little exercises that you can go through, and it tracks your progress. It tells you, is that an octave or a higher note or lower note, and you can check your answer. And then it also has a little profile where if you sign up for free, it will tell you, where did this go? It will tell you what you've been focusing your time on and how you're doing on each of those levels. So that's kind of cool. Students can keep track of that. I could see myself using this maybe if I were going to be gone as a part of a sub-plan, so they could do, sectionals, or they could do, go to daveconservatory.org and they could do some theory. If somebody had a question, I could see myself, having them check this out first, and then I can help them through some stuff. I also like to do stations during choir sometimes, so I can focus on different sections, and then I send them throughout the room to do other activities. So this could be one of the stations that they have to rotate through as a section throughout the course of the period. So I could see this being very useful for a lot of different people, and it's free and you don't have to download anything. So that is daveconservatory.org.